Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy hosting this year, stop right now. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Hostinger coupon code in 2026. And you don't even need to type any coupon code manually. Yes, you heard that right. No copy paste, no searching random codes on Google, no expired coupons. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, go to the description below this video and click the special link I've provided. That link already has the discount coupon embedded inside it. So once you click it, you'll be redirected directly to the official Hostinger website, and the discount will automatically activate for you. Super simple. Now, once you're on the website, choose any hosting plan you want. For example, you can select the cloud startup plan or premium web hosting, whatever fits your needs. When you proceed to checkout, you'll see the discount automatically applied in your cart. That means you instantly get 20% off on your hosting purchase. No extra steps, no hidden tricks, just click and save. So if you're planning to start a blog, launch a business website, create an online store, or even start freelancing, this is honestly the perfect time to grab this deal. Because hosting prices increase over time, but when you lock in a discounted plan, you secure that lower price for the long term, so don't miss it. Click the link in the description right now and claim your discount. And if you face any problem or have any questions, just drop a comment below. I personally reply and help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.